Hi, what is the value of x given that you have x plus 2 in parentheses to the power of 4 equals 16? X plus 2 in parentheses to the power of 4. We can have 16 in base 2 to the power of 4, meaning that 2 to the power of 4 will give us 16. Let's take this one here. We have the first one, x plus 2 to the power of 4 minus 2 to the power of 4 equals 0. Now, let us recall that anytime when we have a to the power of 4 minus b to the power of 4 always equals as a minus b times a plus b times a squared plus b squared. So from here, when we apply it here, we discover that our a will be equals x plus 2 and our b will be equals 2. So now by substituting the value of a to be equals x plus 2 here, the value of b equals 2 here. So we can now have the possible solutions for this problem. Mind you that we are expected to have 4 possible solutions because the degree of x is 4. So meaning that we are expected to have 4 possible solutions. So now from here we have x plus 2 and here is minus b. Definitely here will be minus 2. Then from here we have x plus 2. Here is plus b will be plus 2. Then from here too we have x plus 2 squared plus 2 squared. Mind you that we have this side to be equals 0. So from here we have these two, we cancel out this, we have x, then we have here to be x plus 2 will give us 4. Then from here the expansion of this will be x plus 2, again multiplied by x plus 2, then this will be plus 4 equals 0. We have x times x plus 4. X times x from here will be x squared. X times 2 will be 2x. This time this will be 2x. 2 times 2 will be 4. Plus 4 equals 0. Now, x times x plus 4. This will be x squared. This 2x plus 2x will be 4x. Then from here, 4 plus 4 will give us 8 equals 0. Now, from this expression, what we are saying here is from zero product rule, for this expression to be equal to 0 is either we have x equals 0, this x. If this x equals 0, the moment we multiply the all times that we have here by 0, this side will be equal to 0. Or we have x plus 4 equals 0. If x plus 4 equals 0, definitely multiply it by this, everything will be 0, and here will be x equals minus 4. Now, or we have x squared plus 4x plus 8 equals 0. So from here, this is a quadratic expression, and there's need for us to apply the quadratic formula. So to apply the quadratic formula, let us define the following parameter: a to be equals the coefficient of x squared, which is 1, b the coefficient of x, which is 4, c to be the constant of quadratic, which is 8. Now, having known this one, the next step is to introduce general quadratic formula x equals minus b, positive or negative, square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So from here, when we plug in everything, so we are going to have x, already our b is 4, and here is minus outside. So here will be minus 4, positive or negative. Here will be 4 squared. 4 times a. Our a is 1. Then our c is 8. Over 2 times 1, which is 2. Now, we have x minus 4, positive or negative. This will be 16. Then 4 times 8. This will give us 32. Over 2. Now, so from here we have x equals minus 4, positive or negative. 16 minus 32 will be minus 16 over 2. And this will be minus 4, positive or negative, root of 16 times root of minus 1 over 2. Now, so from here we have our x to be minus 4, positive or negative, root 16 is 4. Root of minus 1 is I over 2. Now, divide through by 2 will be minus 4 over 2, positive or negative, 4i over 2. Now, we have x, here we minus 2, positive or negative, 2i. So this happens to be our complex solution, where we have two real solutions, x equals 0 and x equals minus 4. So in this video now, we have 4 possible solutions, because this one will be for the first and the second, while this one is the third and the fourth. So now let us check. We are given x plus 2 in parentheses to the power of 4 equals 16. When our x equals 0, let's verify. Here will be 0 plus 2 will be 2 to the power of 4, which equals 16. This is true. When x equals minus 4, this will be minus 4 plus 2 to the power of 4. Then is it going to give us 16? Minus 4 plus 2 will be minus 2 to the power of 4. It's going to give us 16. Now what will happen here will be, this power is even number and it will affect this negative. So definitely here will be even back, which is 2 to the power of 4, which equals 16. This is also true, and meaning that the first solution is correct, while the second solution is not correct. The next to verify for is our complex solution. We have to verify for this complex solution. So if you are new here and you find this video interesting, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe for more maths tutorial videos.